So, I'm going to show you guys how I lace my Louis Vuitton Frontrow Sneakers. So, this is the pair that I already did, and this is the pair that I didn't do. So, just pop the laces out. And the only annoying thing about the Louis Vuitton Frontrow Sneakers is that they don't have the metal like guide for each one. It's just at the top, so sometimes taking the laces out is annoying because it doesn't just pop through all the time, but this time it's going pretty smooth and it's popping right out. So yeah, okay, now just measure the laces, make sure they're about the same, and then I go from the inside out the whole way through. So yeah, and I lace it over. I don't like lacing it under, which is why I took it out, because you know that's how it is when they give it to you. They either lace it across like the straight way, like one lace across, and then they do like the hidden lace like at the bottom, and I don't like that either. But yeah, this is how I do mine. I lace it over the top. And then I always leave excess, so you guys will see what it looks like when it's done. And I always make sure that it doesn't kink by guiding it through. And then if you're adding a little too much, you can just tighten it a tad so you get a little bit more lace to pop out, and then keep going. And then just make sure, always pull it through the top, and then even them out a little more so there's a little bit more lace, and then last ones right at the top, pull that up a little bit, and then boom, they're all done. Nice and easy. And then you just adjust them as you go down. A little bit. So you just gotta play with them a little and just get them so they bow out a little all the way up. And then just like that, they're all set. And I really do love these sneakers. They look really good, especially with tri-pants. And they're really comfortable. So it's like a nice shoe to like go to the mall with and go to the movies. Like this is definitely a movie fit because it's nice, comfortable reclining chairs. And it's a designer item. It's definitely something I would consider a staple. Pardon Olivia in the background making noise. I'm gonna give you more food soon, Brady. But yeah. As you can see, That's how I lace my Louis Vuitton Frontrow sneakers. And I really love these. I prefer the Louis Vuitton Frontrow sneakers over the Gucci Aces, even though you do see some Gucci sneakers in the background, but those are for sale, not to keep. But yeah. Actually, I do like these. I had a pair of these like years ago, like a long time ago. But yeah. Those are all for sale. Not the Louboutins though, that you can probably see peeking in the corner over here. Those are some shoes that I throw on from time to time. But yeah,